some fun tiki cocktails that we can do. So I'm gonna start off first with the Planter's Punch. We're gonna go with a mixing glass, all of our shake and pour cocktails, ice in our mixing glass. I'm gonna serve both of these in a couple of tall glasses. So I'll set those off to the side, start off with my Planter's Punch, 1 ounce of dark rum. So dark rum, we're doing 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Let's try and do that. So 1.5 ounces of dark rum, 1/2 ounce of triple sec. Pineapple, 3 ounces of pineapple going in there. 1 ounce of lime, grenadine. So I'm gonna go with 1/2 ounce of grenadine in order to sweeten up the sourness from that lime juice. And then we're gonna go and shake things up. So, Planter's Punch, shake and pour into a tall glass. And we're gonna finish that one off with some bitters. So this is definitely one of your more complicated drinks. Garnish with a pineapple. Dark rum, triple sec, pineapple, lime, grenadine. You then want to go and do your shake to blend all those ingredients together and then top it off with some bitters. Garnish appropriately. Now we can do another variation on that called the Jungle Bird, where we end up putting it all together the same way. Mixing glass, full to the top with ice. I'm going with dark rum. That was 1.5 ounces of dark rum once again. And you remember triple sec going into the Planter's Punch. Triple sec ends up being that sweet orange flavor. Instead of sweet orange, we're gonna go with Campari, which is gonna give it a bitter orange flavor. So 1/2 ounce of my Campari going in there. Pineapple, lime, grenadine. So let's do 3 ounces of my pineapple. Let's do 1 ounce of lime. I'm gonna add that grenadine in there. 1/2 ounce of that grenadine. See that grenadine going and sinking down to the bottom? That's why we're going and shaking these together. Make sure everything ends up harmonizing so we got a nice pretty drink. So shaker tin. Shake it on up. And pour that into your tall glass. So don't forget your bitters in order to go and finish off that drink, and garnish with a pineapple. So maybe a cherry on there too if you want. So a Jungle Bird, a Planter's Punch, sweet orange with our triple sec, Campari bitter orange. Enjoy.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.